your zone to zone traders. Right. So now we've got our trend line here telling us what? That today, since it's now 8:30, when is our next I think the next fundamental at 9 or 9:30, somewhere around there. Ne? You should look for what? Buying opportunities to the upside. Where are we going? We're not going to this level. We're just retracing back to 34,019. Or let's just say 34,000. We need to retrace back to 34,000 before we can even take a journey down. Do you get my point? So it's not repeating what it has done before. As you can see, how can you say the market is repeating itself at this level? Because we come from a lower low, a new low, and now we're trying to do what? The main idea is we need to trap out the sellers. Because remember, whenever you get a major move in the markets, there will always be a major reversal. Because they are not stupid. They know that most of the people caught a lot of sales up there with a lot of money. So we need to take them up there with a lot of money. So we need to take them out. Up there with a lot of money. So we need to take them out. Up there with a lot of money. So we need to take them out. Weak. Like that. So even if you can have that one left out because the channel has shifted, so it's fine. Only have one touching, another one touching. Then what are you going to do from there? Flip, I forgot. I'm no longer online. Shit, as you can see, you're offline here. So I can't really do anything, guys. I guess we got to retry again some other time. But yeah, it was good to be back, man. It was good to be back. But all I can tell you is US30 is going to be buying for today, the whole of today. Right now, this is just a minor pullback. What US30 normally does is whenever it does something like this on the daily time frame, it will leave a spike to the upside. That's all I'm going to tell you. That's all I'm going to tell you. Antoine. So now ask yourself, why is it that every time when I'm trying to operate something, we got problems? Just ask yourself that. There's nothing which I have done which is successful on TikTok. There's nothing. All my lives, I cut them. Because I end up getting fed up with the network, or it's either people reporting me. You understand? So just ask yourself, why? So it's still not time for selling yet. No, it's not time for selling yet, bro. Right now, where US30 is, it's untradeable. Right now, where the market is, it's untradeable. You need to wait for the market to come to your zone. Ne? So take it like this. You must be the boss. The market is your worker. So what must it do? It must